Are you looking for some new Christmas gift ideas, or possibly to spruce up your home for the holidays? Well, you've come to the right place. We have got 4 great Christmas crochet ideas for you, not only for gifts, but also for home decor. And we will have the patterns available on our website, so you can go there and download those patterns and get started on your Christmas decor. The first item we have is a gift option, and that is our Christmas gift. Who doesn't love anytime a new dish towel and a dishcloth? So you can do those either in a Christmas and holiday patterns like we've done here, or make up your own color and coordinated patterns. That's available for you. We also have a Christmas globe, a glass globe, the traditional just plain glass globes, but we've embellished it with some really beautiful crochet. Pick some great threads and you will make a variety of really amazing ornaments that people will be amazed that you made. We also have these great Christmas coasters. Now, they can be done in a Christmas theme, or you can do them to match someone's home any time of the year. And they make up quick and easily, and they're a great gift idea. And the last thing we have for you is our Christmas bells ornament. That can be done and hung on your tree, or hung as part of a garland or a wreath. They're very fun to make. They make up in just 15-20 minutes. You can make a bell, and when you add the jingle bell, they add a little bit of joy to your holiday. So let's get started and let me show you these in detail. Again, join us at our website, servantcrafts.com, to be able to purchase the patterns for these. There's a bundle. You'll get all 4 patterns in the one bundle price. Also, join us on Instagram. Follow us there. Hang out at our Facebook page. Let us know what you're working on. We'd love to join you in that and to just support you any way we can. Give all the glory to God for all the things you do. Here are the Christmas globes. They actually start out almost looking like a coaster or a small doily. You use a size 2mm crochet hook, or a B like boy. I also use the size 10 crochet thread. Now, this thread that I'm working with here, I just love. It's got kind of a mylar or an iridescent strand that is wound around the actual crochet cotton. I do not recommend this for a beginner. If it's your first time working with this small crochet thread and a small hook, don't use it. That beautiful glittery strand that is wound around it causes the thread to twist and to tangle, and you have to stop every several stitches and let it untwist itself, or else you just can't go on. So if this is your first time working with it, don't pick one of these. Pick just a regular cotton. You'll have more success. But as you get comfortable, go for it. I can't not use it. I just love the glitter and the glisten, especially when you place the ornament on the Christmas tree and you get the lights from the tree catching those little sparkles. Just my favorite. So I bite the bullet and just work through it. When you get to the indicated row on the pattern that it's time to insert the globe, you'll need to do that very carefully. As you can see, this kind of cotton doesn't stretch much, so you have to really kind of just ease it and work it in there. It will go in. I had success, obviously. but it does take just a little bit of patience and just a little working on it. So from here, you're going to work with not only the crochet hook in your hand, but this globe with the crochet on it to finish up this way. Go ahead, and what I do from this point is I start working in the round, so I'm not joining any rows together anymore, and I'm going to just work one single crochet in every other stitch until I get it to where the crochet work is right at the neck of the ornament. And then you're going to just fasten off, and I did leave a long tail because I used that tail to make sure that that crochet work stayed tight up at the top there. And so I kind of weaved it in and out of the stitches and made a good knot on it so that the crochet work would stay tight up there at the neck of the ornament. And these are so much fun. You can make every single one a different combination of colors and patterns, and really give yourself the challenge to make each one different and unique. These are the Christmas crochet coasters. You can see they start out very much the same as the globe ornaments. We're using a size 2mm or a Be Like Boy hook, and we are using the size 10 crochet cotton thread. Here is the 4 double crochet together technique. Yarn over, go into the first double crochet, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over again, go into the next double crochet, pull up a loop, yarn over, go through 2. Yarn over, go into the third double crochet, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, go into the fourth double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2. Now yarn over and pull through all the loops on the hook. This combines all those stitches into one stitch, and you finish off. Now it's time to add the color in the pattern that I'm working for this one. That always, I think, is so much fun when you've been working on one color to change colors. So this just adds a nice little rim to and a pop of color. And here is all of the coasters that I currently have made. You can see how I like to just change up my options, change colors, make them each one different. I usually make them in sets of 4 identical coasters, but my oldest son, when I gave him his choice of coasters, took one of each, and I had never thought about mixing up the coasters. So here you go. And here are the Christmas bell ornaments. These are begun very similarly to the coasters and to the ornaments. They are made with a size 2 crochet hook, 2mm or Be Like Boy, and they also use the size 10 crochet thread. Now you can see here I have opted to put just a little bit of polyester fiber fill into each bell. It helps them to hold their shape. A couple of these bells had been stored since last Christmas, and they can get kind of flat or actually folded in half. So that little bit of fiber fill does help them to keep their shape while they're in storage. And then here's another option I got. Very creative with multiple colors here. And one year I not only made the bells like this in 3 colors, but then I cross-stitched a letter, a first initial on each bell for each one of my children, so that way I know whose bell is whose. So you can take these and tie them together like that, or you can just simply take a hook, an ornament hook, and catch it into that first round of your crochet work there. It'll just hang right on there, and then you can use that thread from the original magic ring and poke it through your polyester fiber fill and use that to tie the bell onto. A link to the pattern for this and the video for this dishcloth and towel will be in the description below, as well as to be able to purchase the pattern bundle for all of these great crafts and gift ideas. They'll be in the description below, as well as links to purchase anything and everything that you would need to make these. We encourage you to use our links. That gives us a little bit of support, and we appreciate that very much. Please feel free to like and subscribe and to watch for us. We'll be back next week